Welcome back to the channel, everybody. How are we all today? Now, this week, not this week, sometime this week, actually, I was going to start doing some healthy recipes. But I'm going to start that at the beginning of next week. And we're going to do a week of healthy eating, basically. I know, mad ain't it? Me, healthy eating, Keith, you nuts. Anyway, so before we do the healthy eating, we've got to get some goodness down us, haven't we? So today, we're going to be doing some smash burgers, but we're going to make them delicious smash burgers. That's what we're going to do. I got them from Aldi, $2.99. When I do my own smash burgers, the lad absolutely loves them. I just basically get myself some 4 patties from Aldi and make them into my own and season them and all that. The lad loves them. But we've had these before and they are nice, really. It's all about the seasoning with them. So let's start. Do some delicious smash burgers. I'm going to have a few fries with it. So basically, a takeaway burger and fries. So this is what we've got, guys. We've got ourselves some lettuce, which I've chopped and sliced and all that stuff, and some tomatoes. We've got ourselves our smash burgers, obviously. The grill, guys, serves 2, you get 4 in a pack. So we're going to have a double. Oven bottom muffins, they are my 100% go-to now for my buns, wraps, rolls, whatever you want to call them. They are delicious. Some burger sauce, that was from Iceland, £2. It's a big bottle. And obviously we've got some fries. But first things first, is what we want to do. We want to fry our toast our muffins. Okay guys, while my pan's warming up and my air fryer's warming up for my fries, I'm not going to show you my fries. Because there's no point, that's only fries. There's the burger baps. The burger patties. Get 4 of them out. Gonna have a double one. I have got some cheese, but it's in the fridge, by the way. You want some oil on the one side of your good old bap. I keep saying baps tonight, patty. And you gotta give it a good salt. You gotta give it a good salt, guys. I'll put my chips in the air fryer and get some oil in the bottom of my pan. We're going to get our burger baps in, guys, and we're going to toast them with a little bit of butter. Some butter in the middle of there. Oh, yeah. Move your butter around the pan. Get it all coated underneath. That's what you want. Oh, just a touch more. Touch more. Okay, guys, we will get them out. Oh yeah. Same pan, don't need to clean the pan. Only a bit of butter. You want a bit more oil in the bottom of here. And get your patties. Salt side down. Nice hot pan, that's what you need. And a bit more oil on top now, just a drop. There's going to be oil in the pan and you need to salt the top. Let's have a look. A bit more. Well, I'm crispy, guys. You want them quite, caramelised a little bit more than that. Get that full contact on the pan. Let's have a look now. There's a bit better. Flick them over. And so just make sure they're cooked through, guys. That's all you need to do. Don't dry them out, though. Nice little bit of a crisp on the top now. There we go. Look at that. Beauty. Let's do me burger bun, guys. I'm not going to put any sauce on that, so you can put some sauce on after. So we're going to get some lettuce on there, some tomatoes, right, I've turned the heat off, guys. Bit of plastic cheese, burger cheese, whatever you want to call it. Get it on there. Get it on. You don't need the heat on for this bit, you're only melting it for 20 seconds, that's all. Lid on. To give it a melt. That will do us. Burger bun. Well, burger bun. I keep calling them buns, don't I? Burger patties, get them on there. Drain them off. Some good old burger sauce on the top. I'm going to have quite a bit on there so it melts all over it. So it all spews over the sides. And, guys, because it's a fake-away burger, we will, hold on, burger things, whatever you call them in. Burger things that you put your burgers in. From the pound shop, a pound, yum yum, barbecue original and all that stuff, flame grill. You get 4 in a pack. So what we will do, we'll get my burger, which I should have built it in there early. In there. We'll get that on top, that way. We'll melt the cheese over, the good old sauce. And we will close it up, and we will dish up. So guys, there we go. I've got some burger sauce in there for a dip, my fries, and my good old burger. Oh yes, look at that. That looks lovely. There's Nats. I don't know what Nats having on hers. What you having? Burger sauce?
I might have some burger sauce.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You did try it and you said
I
it was
did
nice,
try
didn't
that burger sauce.
You said it tasted a bit like Mackey's, didn't you?
It tastes a bit like Mackie sauce. I'll just tip it on off this one.
I was going to move it up for dippy chips. Get it on there, babe. Get it on.
I can squirt some more in.
Yeah, you can.
There we go.
Have this, bab, before we start our healthy food. God, eh?
Yeah.
I'll try and make it delicious for us.
I'm only joking. I don't mind healthy food.
So, what do we reckon, all together? They make it stand out, don't they, these burger boxes things, don't they? Don't they, for a quid, 4 for a pound from the pound shop.
That sauce is nice.
That sauce nice. 2 quid for a big bottle, it's a massive bottle. There we go.
That's nice.
Yeah, you can make your own, can't you? But for convenience, like this, your kids, your grandkids, wouldn't have any difference, would they?
No.
At all. From a fake-away takeaway. Right, I'm going to get right into it. Got a black top on so it's not white. But I'm still going to make a mess, which makes a good burger. 10 minutes, that's all.
Well, that's a good burger.
That's a good burger, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a good burger.
That's what
and that
tasty.
sauce is well nice, isn't it? On there.
That sauce goes really nice.
That is a good burger, isn't it?
That's really tasty. Did you marinate the burgers?
No, just season them, salt them.
That's really nice.
It's all about the seasoning with these smash burgers. You've got to get that sauce on both sides.
Now, no, well, Danny loves them.
Yeah.
They're nice, they are.
Oh, yes. I'm going to buy some more in boxes
Very nice.
when we have a barbie. Because they'd be good for when you have a barbie, wouldn't they?
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
They do the hot dog trays, they do, what's the other stuff that...
I had some little baskets, but
Remember, like, you get your scampi and your chips in it when you go to the pub? Baskets like that.
they weren't very big, was they? There was like they
They
were
were
only
for a
about,
no, they weren't bigger than that.
about that big.
Oh, for a portion of scampi and chips, ain't it? You know what I mean? So what do you reckon of them smash burgers, guys? Don't forget, it's
I love them.
their own. Yeah, you can always make your own, but for a 10-minute burger, that, with the fries, you can't go wrong, can you?
You can't. I do like them burgers.
They're nice.
A bit of salad in and
A bit of
stuff.
salad, bit of... You can put whatever, gherkins or whatever you want in there, can't you? I ain't got no gherkins, otherwise I'll probably put some in mine.
Oh yeah, you could write loads of burgers, whatever you wanted to put in there. I love them buns. I love them since you found them buns.
Yeah, them oven
They're my
bottom,
favourite.
them muffin bottom buns take your burgers to the next level, don't they?
Yeah.
Don't they? They're better than brioche. That's my opinion.
Oh, they're loads better
I
than
think they're
brioche.
100% better. Especially when you cook them with a little bit of butter. They're superb.
They go with anything, no, them.
And they go with
button
anything,
buns.
yeah.
Got bacon and stuff and
They're
egg.
great with bacon and egg sandwiches and that, and sausage and egg sandwiches and all that. They're brilliant.
They are nice.
So, guys, there we go. We're going to, we don't get to the Lidl after. We're going to Lidl Friday. You need to get some, because that likes the comfort from down there, don't you? Is it the comfort or the washing powder? Whatever, the washing gel stuff. The washing gel stuff. So, if anyone knows anything in Lidl, because I don't really go down there, that you want me to try while I'm down there, I could pick some up. You have to let me know on this video, like, because what day is it? Wednesday. St George's Day today. And we're going to go Friday, so I can pick it up. If you let me know if there's anything on Lidl, we don't really shop there. So we're going to go down and have a mooch, aren't we? Yeah. So guys, there we go. Lovely, delicious burger. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, we'll see you later before my burger goes cold. Yummy. Bye-bye, guys.